Evergreen presents Candid English Conversation Practice for Class 7. Introducing ourselves and others. Ramesh, where's Leela? Please call her. I want to talk to both of you for a few minutes.
I'm here, Mom.
Now sit down, both of you.
You sound very mysterious, Mother. Are you going to pull a rabbit out of your hat or something?
Nothing of that sort. We are going to have guests this evening.
So you want us to have our supper before 7 and go to bed?
No, on the contrary, I want both of you to be with us during the party.
That'll be very nice.
Who are the guests? Do Leela and I know them?
Dad, Anna.
Names and surnames. My first name's Leela and my surname's Rao.
Good. The Macmillans and the Davidsons in Ramesh's house.
Prerna, I hope everything's ready.
More than ready, dear. I've cooked a complete vegetarian meal.
That's excellent. All 4 of our guests love Indian vegetarian food. Well, that's the doorbell. I'm sure it's our guests. I'll get it. Welcome, Diane. Say hello to you.
Yes, please do sit down. Sit anywhere you like.
Can I get you all?
Yes, please. Fresh lime for David and me.